UCF Knights, 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 UCF. I am the biggest fan. I'm the biggest fan because I tailgate all the time. I tailgate every game, even when UCF is away. It's still tailgating. I go to the games, every game, got seats and tickets. Man, it's like crazy. The games go decked out. UCF all over, man. UCF is the bomb. Just I'm the biggest fan. I do everything. I go with friends, just whatever, you know, football, whatever. Just go crazy.
I'm an even bigger fan. I go to every single game. Even when it rains, I'm there. I'm sitting there first row right in front of the goal zone. I'm never not in my seat. I have my same seat. My name's even on my seat. Every game I tailgate before with all my friends. We go get a lot of food. It's crazy. Everyone comes.
Alright, these two are not even the biggest fan. I'm the biggest fan. I go always to the games, tailgate, everything to do with youth football. I'm
Lies.
there. Bull.